Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around the absolutely epic transformation of the Nissan Navara NP300. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Other than that guys, hope you enjoy, let's get started. So starting off with the outside of the car, this car came into us completely stock. It had the chrome surrounds all over, that's all gone. We've gone a full chrome delete on the vehicle. So we've gone everything chrome all the way to black. So the white and black absolutely works perfectly well on this car. We've also done a full stage 1 polish and ceramic coating on this vehicle as well. One of the coolest things about this system, we've gone for all of this was all chrome, that's all gone to black, and the handles were actually chrome as well. And you can't actually buy full sort of black handles for them, so they've all been painted in the factory white color as well. We've actually wrapped the wing mirrors in black, so if the customer ever wanted to change them back to chrome, it can do, but they are wrapped black at the moment. One other key thing that we've done on the exterior of the vehicle is up top. So we've mounted the Lazer Elite Bar. It's an absolutely incredible bit of kit. It's actually specifically designed by Lazerlamps for the Nissan Navara. So we'll drop all the link for that product below. That's a really nice bit of kit and that works perfectly off the high beam. So as soon as you hit that high beam, it then triggers straight up. Then also what we've done is front and rear tinted lights, which make the car look a lot meaner. It gives that lower stance as well. One of the key things as well is these were chrome, they've gone black. This panel has actually been painted black here as well. So again, it gives it a little bit of a different look and design from other Navaras out there on the market. And then what we've done is change this grille over to the full mesh grille, which really looks nice. And plus there's a full Nissan Delete there as well. So normally you have the chrome Nissan badge and that's all chrome. That's all gone to black and then we've sort of blended it in with the tinted lights. It looks really nice. So cosmetically from the outside, loads of changes, but nice and subtle at the same time. So nothing too mad. However, it gives loads more road presence to this vehicle. We're going to be heading inside and I'm going to show you all the features that we've upgraded inside the car. So now inside the Nissan Navara, we've not only added features and benefits that make driving so much easier, but also we've added some comfort features as well. One of the key things, one of the key complaints about the Nissan Navara was first of all, the cubby box. So the factory cubby box sort of sat quite far back and quite low. So when you're actually driving the vehicle, so I'm 6 foot tall, when I was driving the vehicle, I just found that it just couldn't rest my elbow on there and also rest on here. So what we've done is made this basically this new cubby box that rolls forward, plus it's a little bit high and it sits so nicely. It just makes the driving experience so much nicer in the vehicle. Another thing that we've done is this NP300 is a 2016 model, so it didn't come with Apple Carplay or Android Auto. What we've done is transformed the actual radio, we've taken that out, we've upgraded that with the Alpine ILX-7020, featuring Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, all now live directly on the new 7-inch screen. So that only looks really smart. We've also got a gloss black finish fascia, so it blends in really nicely. We've also got the Blackview DR900S front dash camera, so now the car is protected while on the road as well. So that's all the bits and pieces that we've done in here, but we've also done the actual chrome delete on the inside. So one of the key things about this system was this part here actually on the door cards. They were in chrome and they were sort of tattered and sort of damaged a little bit, so we sanded them back and then wrapped them in black. We have left the door handles inside because there's still some elements of the chrome in here, like on the gear lever, and we wanted to keep a little bit of that originality in the car, but the rest of it's gone to black. And one of the main things as well that we've done, the list is endless on this car, but one of the main things that we've done is the sound. So we've also upgraded front and rear speakers. Up front, we've got the 6x9 Audison Prima system. So we've got a replacement tweet in factory location, plus 6x9 in factory location. And moving over to the rear, we've gone for the Hertz Centro rear speakers. We do loads of different systems for this car. So if you're interested in just the sound or any one of these key options by itself, you know exactly what to do, drop us a line. But this is quite nice because we can show you loads of different bits and pieces that we've upgraded on the NP300. So not only cosmetic, really nice touches that we've made, also upgrades to the enhancement of sound, audio, also your entertainment system, plus comfort features like the cubby box. Another one thing that we've done on this car is the soundproofing. So we've actually soundproofed the doors, so they're acoustically soundproofed, plus we've acoustically soundproofed the roof on this vehicle when we were installing the light bar. So little bits and pieces that we've done together, and this is all coming down together. I'm really happy with the finished product. Customer's going to be collecting the car very soon, and I'm sure they're going to be over the moon with the finished product. But it's a really nice solution, loads of different upgrades. So if you're interested in one of these things or all of them, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a line and we'll see you soon. Thank you.